Okay, I just came in this back door. You can see there's the bunkhouse. And from the back door, you walk into the laundry room / mud room. So this is the laundry sink, the washer here. Now they do not have a dryer here because everything's run off solar. And so you'd probably need to add more solar panels in order to run a dryer. So they line dried all their clothes. This is the main source of heat. It is a wood stove. It also heats the water. So this room here is their woodshed, and there is a door right there that leads out there. So this is primarily used for their woodshed, for being able to stock that furnace here. Now this leads into the living room, but right here is part of the kitchen. It's kind of the pantry, and this is where the fridge is at. You do have a door here that you can shut. Leads into the kitchen here, which this overlooks that there. So you've got sink. Now you do have traditional propane gas stove and oven there. There's this old-fashioned stove. You can tell that they use that as well. This would also help heat the house. This is the front door. Leads to the front patio. The beautiful view. And the patio does wrap around to that other door that I came in. Now there's the living room. This is the basement door. If you come through here, this is the bathroom. You can see here, tub. And vanity, 2 little medicine cabinets there. Got a built-in cabinet here, the commode. This leads into, there is a door. This is the bigger bedroom. It is still a small bedroom. That is a full-size bed there. Got really nice views out this window. You do have enough room for a bureau right there and a double bar closet. Now this leads to upstairs. A nice sized living room here. This is just vinyl flooring. There's a skylight there. Now there's another bedroom right here. And I mean, the bedrooms may be similar size. It's really kind of hard to tell, but you do have a closet back there. An exterior door there. There's one of the solar panels that you can see. This is the side of that woodshed that I showed you earlier. Now upstairs, now the ceilings are a little bit low here. I mean, there is enough room. They use this kind of as an office / craft room. You do have another just small bedroom up here. Now this is all solar paneled, so there's not light switches, there's just lamps and things everywhere. Now this here is a half bathroom. There is room enough to put a tub. I'm not sure how much work that would be, if it's possible. But, so it's a really big sized half bathroom. Okay, I'm going to start a new video and do the basement.